Look at him, sleeping like a baby. Thanks to Northwest Snoring Center. It wasn't always this way. He was keeping me up, was groggy in the morning, and once even stopped breathing. A CPAP wasn't the best solution. Northwest Snoring Center came to the rescue. They are sleep experts. Northwest Snoring Center fitted him with a dental device that fits perfectly. Now we both get the sleep we deserve.
Go to northwestsnoringcenter.com and find out how you can quit snoring this week. Northwest Snoring Center can help you both sleep like babies.